In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add a logo to your videos using Canva. If you're looking to brand your video content or simply add a watermark, this guide will walk you through every step, making sure your logo stands out just the way you want it. First, you'll want to log into your Canva account at canva.com. If you don't have an account already, setting one up is straightforward and it's free for basic use. Once you're in, go ahead and either open an existing video project you'd like to work with, or start a new video project by selecting the Create a Design button and choosing a video format that suits your needs. Now let's move to the Uploads tab, which you will find on the left side of the editor. Click on Upload Files to bring your logo into Canva. Ideally, you want to use a PNG file with a transparent background, as this format ensures that your logo looks clean and professional without any undesired borders or backgrounds. Once your logo is uploaded, you'll notice it appears in your library on the left-hand side. Let's move forward and add that logo to your video. Click on your logo and drag it straight onto your video canvas. You can position it wherever best fits your design aesthetic, though common placements include the top left or bottom right corners. These positions tend to be less intrusive. To resize, click on any corner of the logo and drag while holding down the mouse button. Make sure it's not too large, as you want it to be discreet yet visible. If you're aiming for a watermark effect that's less obtrusive, click on the Transparency tool, which you'll find on the top toolbar, and adjust the opacity to your liking. This can really help in creating a subtle yet effective branding mark on your video. Once your logo is in the desired position, the next step is to ensure it appears throughout your entire video. To do this, click on the logo so that its timeline appears at the bottom of your screen. To make the logo span the full length of your video, you will want to drag the edges of its timeline so it covers all the frames or scenes you have. Consider each scene or segment of your video as a page and extend the logo's duration accordingly. It's crucial to ensure the logo remains visible across all scenes or pages so that your branding is consistent from start to finish. And there you have it. Your video is now professionally branded with your logo in Canva. This simple yet effective addition not only helps with brand recognition, but also gives your video an added layer of professionalism. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around for more Canva tips and tricks to elevate your digital content.